many opportunities, so many things to learn. It's amazing to see the new questions that arise and they're like, I didn't think of that.
There's so much value, not only by the knowledge you guys share, but being in the room of other people who are taking their business seriously, who want to do something different, do something better. That in itself is really impactful.
The knowledge that was provided, the staff itself gave such an open perspective on how an agency should be ran, how you discuss things with everybody. It just kind of gave an overall higher expectation of level than what I was expecting.
I had seen a few pictures before going over there, but once I went there, I'm like, okay, it's actually not overwhelming at all. If you have the right assistants and the right management in place and the right people helping you around with everything, it's very doable and it can be scaled even more. So I can see how a lot of people can replicate. If you put in the work, you can go ahead and definitely get to that level.
It exceeded my expectations, honestly. I came in with an open mind, hoping to learn something, and I knew I would.
I've been in other programs where you're spending way more to be in the room. The value is literally a no-brainer. Sending us home with a workbook that literally lays out the systems, and you're totally open to sharing anything that we ask. I absolutely know that I will make back this investment way more than tenfold.
Don't miss this opportunity.
Definitely go and do this.
This was really an excellent experience.